Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do, and today I have an unboxing for you. This is the Naked Beauty box, which was gifted to me. They reached out like last week and asked if they could send me one of their boxes, and they are a small business, and I was checking out their Instagram. It's beautiful. So anyway, I decided yes, I would love to try it out. I love subscription boxes, you guys know this, and so I wanted to try this one. For full disclosure, this was gifted. I did not pay for it. However, I'm not required to say nice things. I'm just gonna give my honest review. Now, I have opened the box, but I've not gone through and looked at anything. I just wanted to make sure everything arrived safe and wasn't leaking. So when you open it up here, it comes with a little thank you card, and it looks super cute. Then we have a little flyer that tells you everything that's in the box and more information about it. So there's that, some spoilers, and then we have the products. So there are full-size products in here. I believe that's the idea, is that you get 5 full-size products in every box. So I'm just gonna set this down because I don't want to drop the paper bits all over. This is what their Instagram bio says. Clean, cruelty-free beauty, or clean, cruelty-free and vegan, 5 full-size products, and $85 to $150 value in every box. It's $39.99, which is amazing considering you're guaranteed to get at least double that in products. As well, she told me that she ships for free in the US, and it's $10 shipping to Canada, which is amazing because I don't, if a company asks to send me something, I always ensure that they actually ship it to Canada normally, because I would never want to promote something that I can't actually get my hands on normally. So anyway, let's get into the unboxing before I ramble on forever. The first thing sort of just sticks up there because it's the biggest thing in there, or like the roundest, and it's from Organics, and it's a turmeric scrub mask, and it has turmeric, lemon peel, and chickpea. Interesting. It says suggested use: apply a visible layer to clean skin, allow mask to dry for 10 minutes, rinse with warm water, and massage skin in a gentle circular motion, allowing scrub to exfoliate skin. Pat dry with a soft towel. Recommended for use 3 times a week. Obviously don't mush it into your eyes. That's really interesting. I don't think I've ever used anything with turmeric in it. I just want to see how it smells. You know, interesting smell. Not super citrusy, but also not like fake smelling, which I think is the idea. Okay, next thing in the box. So this is from No Makeup, and it is the Retinol Serum, Vitamin A, and Power Retinol. What do they have on the page? So actually, the value of the Organics turmeric mask is $29, and this is a value of $36. So the box is already paid for with 2 products, which is amazing. It says the finest, particularly well tolerated retinoid, together with phytosqualane, gentle oils, and natural carrot extract, helps to reduce wrinkles, nourishes the skin with vitamin A, and supports a firm, youthful complexion. Apply a few drops morning and evening to cleanse skin and massage in. Apparently I can't talk today, so let's see what it looks like. Comes in a glass bottle. This is what the bottle actually looks like. I'm looking forward to trying this actually because I'm not gonna lie, I am getting old and I'm having some wrinkles and some aging things happening to my face. And you guys ask all the time what my skincare routine is, and I'll tell you, it's essentially washing my face with water once a week, washing it with like a face wash, and then forgetting to remove my makeup some days. You know, I'm really not good at it. I'm lucky because genetics have blessed me, essentially. Alright, next up is this Shine On Nail and Cuticle Oil. Oh my goodness, I need something for my nails. I'm really allergic to nail polish. Not like I'll die, but that I put it on and can immediately feel it and need to rip it off. So, I don't wear nail polish ever. It's, this is unscented, which is amazing. And so I need something to like nourish my nails because I'm never treating them and they need it. This I definitely look forward to trying out. So this is from Wicked Good Nail, and it's Wicked Good Nail and Cuticle Oil. Put intense hydration at your fingertips with its complex combination of vitamins, antioxidants, minerals. Wicked Good Cuticle Nail Oil boasts deeply hydrating emollient properties. This oil helps your skin retain its moisture while strengthening. It softens with jojoba oil and coconut oils and protects with vitamin E. And its value is $18. Alright. I look forward to using that a lot. And there's like a little, you can't see it, but there's a little brush in there. I don't like the ones that are just like little droppers. I want to be able to brush it on. So, alright, next up, Collagen Gloves. Interesting. So, the Voish gloves are a value of $5. The Collagen Gloves pair, it says, Voish UV Protective Collagen Gloves bring innovation to manicure treatment. Each mask is preloaded with argan oil and collagen-rich emulsion to penetrate and moisturize the skin. Made with a micro-thin dual-layered material, protects up to 98.9% of ultraviolet rays. I'm definitely trying these out. I've never seen this before. And last item in the box, and definitely fun packaging. This is Lumis, I don't know, L-I-M-E-S-E face mask, real brightening and glow up. I'm generally not a fan of these like sheet masks because they're always so cold, but I'll have to like warm it up in my hands first. So this brightening mask, it says Lumis brightening mask and brightening and glow up mask, $3 value. Your one-stop shop for all your masking needs. Enriched with a multitude of revitalizing natural ingredients, neem, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, etc. This charcoal mask ensures that nothing can be better than black. Alright, well, that looks fun. I want to try out the nail oil with you guys right now. I will try out the other stuff and report back. Follow me on Instagram if you want to know how it went. So I'm opening the bottle down here. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, but let's see. I'm assuming you're supposed to put it all over your nails, but we'll see if that was really necessary. The other day I was cutting up like carrots for dinner. I think it was carrots at least. And I like sliced a chunk of my fingernail off. It like took a little bit of skin with it too. It was a little scary. I didn't bleed, just, you know. But now there's like this weird dip in my fingernail. So I'm really hoping that grows out so I can even that out. It just looks weird. I love getting a hand massage. I would go and get a manicure just to get the hand massage. Like, no treatments are needed. I mean, you can put like oils and lotions and stuff on me, but I do not need any polishing or buffing or any of that. Just give me a hand massage. This is much harder to do when on my left hand. I am a pathetic left-handed person. I cannot do anything really with my right hand. I can barely open the door for myself. If I needed to feed myself, I would be completely freaking lost. I require my left hand for a lot of things. I do like that it makes your nails all shiny. I've heard if you do wear nail polish, making sure that your hands are moisturized will make your polish last a lot longer. So yeah, it really is unscented. Like, usually oils have like a scent to them. Oh, I'm just smelling the potatoes, the fries I ate. I was like, why does it smell like French fries? I was eating French fries earlier. So anyway, that was awesome. I really enjoy that it was unscented and it meant it, because I'm super sensitive to smells. So yeah, okay, I will report back on my Instagram on all the other products as I try them. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for the Naked Beauty Box for sending this. I really enjoyed opening it, and I'm really looking forward to trying all of the products. If you want to get your own Naked Beauty Box, I will link it in the description, and yeah, I will leave it linked there and you can get one too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!